Michael, I'm picking up a truck and 2 compact cars, but no motorcycles.
He's out here somewhere.
Michael.
I got you, pal. Piece of cake.
Michael, up ahead.
All right, Kelly! Pull over, I want to talk to you! What are you trying to pull, big shot?
I thought it was pretty hot.
Yeah, well, it wasn't, and neither are you. Come on, get up. Come on, get up, or do I have to pull you up?
You're gonna have to pull me up, partner. Because you see, I can't make it alone. Haven't been able to. Ever since that accident on the mountain.
How can you ride if it's so painful to stand?
When I'm on the bike, the pressure's not on my legs.
And there's some kind of surgery that can help you?
Sure. I want to take 2 years out of my life. You stay away from racing that long, you might as well hang it up.
Anyway, these legs are the price I paid for killing the best friend I ever had.
What if you didn't kill Danny?
When I was in 3rd grade, my teacher, she used to yell at me for leaning way back in my chair. And I'd do it anyway. You know, showing off. I've been tilting that chair back ever since. That day I leaned back too far and I took Danny with me.
Kelly, maybe Danny fell off his own chair.
No way. He was the best. I lost control. It's something I never did before.
I'll tell you what, I'll make a deal with you. You cool the hot dogging, and I'll find out exactly who's been tilting your chairs.
Michael, this situation is deplorable. Unhitch me immediately.
This looks like the place.
One man can make a difference, Michael. Michael Knight, a lone crusader in a dangerous world. The world of the Knight Rider.